back again with another gala vlog.
Gala vlog.
A day off na po me guys after our Taiwan leave. This time, magpabugnaw sa me. We'll try Patag View Resto and Cafe dito sa
Patag
Silay. Patag Silay City.
So, kauban na mo guys sa among fam.
Yeah, and the fur babies.
And the fur babies, Arjun Anaks.
So, kuyugi me guys. Riri Barnes with Ati Linlin. Riri! Riri! There's Spice Pie with Mama. Uy! Apod ang parents ni MM. Guys, I don't know if you can see but sky kay medyo grayish siya because Mount Canlaon erupted a few days ago. Huwag na siya yung marang smog effect ron. It's cloudy but it's actually not. So guys, after an hour nga drive og gisaag pa mi ni Google Maps and a challenging nga dalan, we're here na gyud sa Patag View Resto and Cafe. So unahan lang gyud ni siya guys sa Ilaya nga resort. This one, Patag View and Resto. Dala na mo ang mga fur babies guys, kay pwede sila dire. Really? 1, 2, 3. Sulod na mi guys. So after a busy day sa city kay magpahangin sa tadiri. Dili kita ako ng bukid. Ordering na guys. Importante kayo na coffee. Medyo gloomy gid today. Dili kay kita ako ng bukid. It's supposed to be it's that one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. They also have outdoor ng mga cottage there. Oh no. Oh no. It's budbud na ilatik
ninyo Riri Barn.
Sa may laday.
Tigaan na biskwit.
Butong ba? Kayo.
Here's another club sandwich. Mince order cappuccino. Quesadilla. This is the lomi. Guys, we're done with our snacks. It's now 2:53 and mag-take lang ni og pictures dire then manaog na. Later, mga 6 PM kay mo-watch me og Thai movie ni Bilkin, How to Make Million Before Grandma Dies. Yeah, Before Grandma Dies. Nagbaon daw mig tissue. So, i-vlog lang po na ako later. 3. Clingy Riri Buns. Spy. Take Pictures sa sila. Hi guys, so we're done taking pictures. There is a Patag view. It's time to go home. It's now 3:30 and another 1 hour na pod pa balik sa Bacolod City. Tuwan unta guys ang bukid na view. Dili na kitaon. Mao din niya siya ilahang parking lot. Lapad man kaayo. Then free ra ang parking. Muli na mga baby. Doon ang broom broom. Hi, Spice Pie. So, it's as much as possible guys. Kaya ginadalagin naman na sila mga fur babies. Kung maglaag. So, ingon ani ang dalan dili guys, medyo narrow na siya. Then kung pa tulong mo kay ano gid elevated gid siya. Yeah. This one is this one Ilaya. This one Ilaya Resort. Hey guys, so we dropped off ang among mga fur babies ug sila mama and the parents ni MM. So now want to meet SM. Yes. To watch Bilkins movie.
Baon may panyo daan.
Yeah.
Kuan daw ka na. Grandma daw siya.
Nagbaon may og
Handkerchief.
hand keys kay para ano, just to be sure. Guys, nakapalit na may og ticket. So, tagpuan siya 235. So, 6 PM ang time. So, mao na iyang last na schedule.
2 hours na running time.
So, running time is 2 hours and 6 minutes. So, mamalit sa mi og snacks, guys. Kaya na pa may time. So, time check, it's 5:40. So, na pa may pila ka minutes para mag-buy og food. Bye-bye! Palit siya og drinks. Nag-crave siya og milk tea. So, ako nag-buy na ko og popcorn. So, ako kay mag-thirsty ra siguro ko. Nag-buy og CBD og food. Ay, food. Drinks. So, gusto kong shake. So, I ordered mango shake. Wow. Magbayad ko og Krispy Kreme, guys. Okay, MM is buying donuts.
This is our food.
Mag-movie date or mag-mukbang?
Movie date plus mukbang. Krispy Kreme and Saturn.
And we got the drinks. This is Bilkins movie. It's a Thai movie, guys.
Hi guys.
So guys, this is us before watching How I Make Millions Before Grandma Dies movie. And
Guys, they provide sila og tissue.
just to be sure. So this is us after watching How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Nagamit siya ang panyo.
Gamit ang panyo guys, pero in fairness sa SM, kay nag-provide sila og tissue. Then ang mga tao after sa movie guys, daghan na kay gahingos o gaubo-ubo.
It's a nice movie.
Nice.
Of course, Bilkin. So
tomorrow to guys. That's it for our vlog today.
For our day off.
So, please subscribe sa among channel guys and keep on supporting. See you again for the next vlog. Bye-bye!